Checking out this wallet from Rough Enough. Really interested in this one. It's a zipper wallet. It's got a cool leather tag on the front here. It's got essentially like a molly almost. You got some loops here to tie into. You've got the soft part of Velcro, and then you've got a snap for this type of loop. Really cool. D-ring at the top. Comes with a lanyard. With a carabiner and a little small lanyard that's tagged. Really neat. This one has a bright orange inside. Pops open. Has pouches on either side. This one is a zipper. The construction on this is top notch. Materials are great. Real Cordura. This one has a cool desert finish. Rough Enough, New York. I want to thank them for sending us this awesome little wallet pouch. Hope this helps.